Say another more girl story. So when you go on, people want to hear. So much it now going on, I don't know about, man. No, man ain't growing it. Two girls get burned up, Jano. Jano, that rough still. I go on fire. Ping up. Yeah, man, blessings, man. Yeah, man. Oh, they're not the right thing, is it? Say that more girl story. What you want to tell the people? People want to hear, man. I just go up on YouTube, you know. Yeah, so wait, give me a girl story now, man. Any story at all. People know when you want story. Eh? So me not here. Aye. People not here still have to talk up. So you say, how much girl you have for the internet to know? Yeah. Girl are down, just because you have money. So you go, man. Not everybody got money. Yeah. You run for the girl himself. Jano. Every kind of girl. Yeah, man, hungry time for real, man. No, it's a girl, man, for a long time still. See me, I say? Girl in a bungle. Girl from real, man. Girl from jungle. You tell them when they live out town, no? Girl, I want to see you right now when you step out all night Sunday, yeah? Yeah, man. Girl, I want the ice cream chuck, you know? Go in and see it. But you can't buy all the girl ice cream, you know? So how much you normally buy ice cream? Yo, you get them not create us buy them beer ice cream. 3-4 girl buy ice cream one time. Girl, them mix, you know? Original Kimbab, you know? See you on the YouTube, you know? Yeah, man, them request a long time, man. So you say if you don't have no money, you don't get no girl. Jano. Money. But money on everything, you have to get love too. Money come first. So if money come first, that means no love now come after. Money are the talk I town, man. The girl them love a man them with the big thing, you know. Girl them no love no little shit. No. No girl ever tell us your thing too big yet? Girl them say long, what? But that the girl them love, so I don't know why they don't say that. What you say? Ah, yeah, man. Tell me about the girl story, man, and then we do that, man. Yeah. Yeah, did that for rent. Yeah, girl? Jano? Oh, they got there. You not got no money to spend, man. And a free food you go for, man. Girl, one man with money I spend. So you get a girl without having no money. I just say I be a money after you have to get in, girl. Nowadays. Oh, wait, how that take a record? Eh? Oh, that's forward. So, girl, so that means the girl must just give me pure love in them and not have no money then. No. Now pass through then if I so be case. Jump out, you know. I jump off and shoot. Yeah, man. So how old is one ever talk to? Yeah.
30 yard.
30 yard?
Yeah.
Eh?
Too old, you know.
Oh, you're not eating on the whole foot.
I'm 13-year-old.
Yeah.
Give this thing, but see if I take
Them not underage, man.
I want to have a 14-year-old attend this later on her birthday. This a month,
Yeah.